In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to design a room in Canva. We will keep things very simple so you can follow along even if this is your first time using Canva. First, open Canva and create a new design. Choose a presentation or a custom size. Once you pick one, Canva opens a blank canvas in the middle with a toolbar on the left and options across the top. If you want more space to work, you can zoom out a little using the zoom control at the bottom. Choosing a or presentation gives you a nice rectangular workspace that feels similar to a sheet of paper or a slide, which works well for room layouts. Now that your blank design is ready, go to Elements on the left side. Click the Elements tab once and the main area fills with graphics, shapes, and lines. At the top of this panel, you will see a search bar that lets you find specific types of graphics. You may also notice small category labels such as graphics or photos under the results as you scroll. For a room design, we will focus on simple graphic icons rather than photos since they are easier to arrange like a floor plan. Next, use the search bar to look for floor plan. Type the words floor plan and press enter. Canva will show different top-down floor plan shapes. These often look like outlines of rooms or apartments. If you see a simple rectangle or square with wall lines, that can stand in for the shape of your room. From there, search for room layout. Type room layout in the same search bar. You might see ready-made layout graphics with rooms already divided into areas. These can be helpful references even if you do not use them directly. If you drag one in, you can compare it with your own space and get ideas for how to place furniture. Now search for furniture. Type furniture, then press enter. You will see icons for chairs, beds, sofas, and more. Look for top-down or simplified icons that match the style you like. Using a consistent style keeps your room plan easy to read at a glance. Next up, search for bed. Type bed and focus on icons that look like you are viewing them from above. These usually show the outline of a mattress and pillows. Using a top-down bed icon helps you judge how much floor space it takes inside your room layout. After that, search for sofa. Type sofa into the search bar. The results may include side views and top views. For a room design, the top views work best because they match the floor plan angle. You can use a sofa icon to define your seating area in the room. Now search for desk. Type desk and press enter. A desk icon will help you plan a workspace, especially if your room doubles as an office. You can place the desk near a wall or window in your layout to imagine where you would sit. Then search for table. Type table in the search box. Choose a graphic that matches the shape you want, like a round dining table or a rectangular one. Tables help you see walking space around them, which is something beginners often underestimate when planning a room. Next, search for door. Type door and look for a simple door symbol, often shown with an arc that represents the swing. This lets you place the door relative to your furniture, so you do not block the opening path in your design. Then search for window. Type window and press enter. Window icons help you mark where natural light comes into the room. Placing beds, desks, or sofas near windows in your design can show you how bright those spots might feel. Now drag the furniture icons you like onto the canvas. Click and hold an icon from the Elements results, then pull it onto your blank layout area. Once you drop it there, it becomes part of your design. You can drag multiple items like a bed, a sofa, a desk, a table, a door, and a window, each one appearing as its own movable object. Finally, resize and rotate them to match your room. Click an item once to select it, then drag the corner handles to make it larger or smaller. Use the rotate handle to spin it so it lines up with your floor plan shape. You can nudge items with the arrow keys for fine adjustments, and you will see helpful purple guidelines when edges line up with other objects. By the time you finish, your canvas will show a clear top-down layout of your room with doors, windows, and furniture in place. You just created a simple room layout in Canva using furniture icons, scaled and rotated to match your real space. If this helped you map out your room, please give the video a quick thumbs up so others can find it, and subscribe if you want more Canva layout tips.